Now, let us solve for x. Let us solve for x. X is basically an unknown. It is an unknown variable which you have to find using your mathematical knowledge, for lack of better words. You have to find something we don't know. This will help you improve your problem solving skills even in the real world. So whenever you feel like you don't know what to do, just solve for x. Right now, here we go. If we have x plus 1 and we say it is equal to 2, I know this is easy, but I just want you to understand the concept. Right, we don't know what is this, but we know that if you add it with 1, it is going to give you 2. So it is a problem because we don't know this. And if you have a gun to your head and they say you're going to die if you don't give us this, it's easy. Before it was added by 1, what was it? After it was added by 1, it gave us 2. So what was it? The easy way is to say 2 minus 1. Then you'll know that it was 1. Then you save your life. You save your life. Like that. That is what x is. Gun to your head, what is x? Right. Now, bases are the same, right? Exponents are different. Just drop the bases and take exponents, right? X plus 1 is equals to 3. Now, you can just say, before this number was added, what was it? Transpose 1. Each time a number crosses the equal sign, it should change its sign. If it is a positive, then it will be a negative. If it was a negative, then it was going to be a positive. Your answer is 2. If now you can say 2 plus 1, it is going to give you 3. That is what solving for x is. Now, the more you do these activities, the more it will be easy for you to understand them. The more it will be quick for you to think, right? Let's say you have something like this. What is x? You know the exponents, you know the laws. If you don't know them, make sure you watch previous videos and you like, subscribe, and click the share button. But now we are here, right? Now, okay, the camera is a bit blurred. Now, here we go. Now, let's say, okay, here it is. Multiplication, we have the same base. Remember, we add exponents, right? You're going to say x plus 5 plus 1. It's going to give us 1. If you don't understand what we did here, go watch the previous videos in shorts. Now, we're going to say x plus x is 2x. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Is equals to 1. Don't be confused. Remember, any number to the power of 0, it is going to be 1. Then we have the same base. We can just drop the exponents. Now, here we are. 2 multiplied by a number plus 6 is going to give you 0. What is that number? Gun to your head. Find x or you die. Now, there's no need for you to die. Don't die. Well, not yet. We can just say 6, meaning it will be a minus, right? Because it was positive, it will be negative if it crosses the equal sign. Divide by 2, both sides is equals to minus 3. If you can take your calculator now and say 2 in brackets minus 3 plus 6, it is going to give you 0, because 2 multiply minus 3 plus 6 is going to give you 0. Remember, positive by negative is negative. 2 multiply is 6 plus 6, 0, right? Because 6 minus 6 is 0. Now this is correct. Now gun to your head, what is x? Stop being scared. Stop being scared. Attempt. Always attempt. Now, first step is to expand, right? Now let us expand. You can say 2x 1 plus 2x, meaning it is 1 here, plus 2x 2 to the power of minus 1. Sorry about that. Well, right now, because of these signs, we're going to look at the common factor. Here, they are common, right? This one will cancel this one, we are left with this one. We use this sign plus, this one will cancel this one, we have this one. We use this sign, this one will cancel this one, we have this one, which is going to give you 28. We're still solving for x. Now we can easily put this in a calculator, which is going to give you 7 over 2. Still equals to 28. Remember, we're looking for x. Divide by 7 over 2. Divide by 7 over 2. Right? Now, this one will cancel this one. We are left with this one. And the x. Do not kill the variable, because then you'll be left with nothing to solve. Right? To make this simple, we can say we need divide by 1. Divide by 7 over 2. Then we can easily say to the power of x. Right? Now, this is a division. To make it a multiplication, you have to swap these ones. Right? So it is going to say 28 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 over 7. So it's 7. Right? Now, there's no need for you to be in a hurry. No, don't. Top by top, bottom by bottom, which is going to give you 56. This multiplied by this over 7. This multiplied by this, right? Which is going to give you 8. Remember, 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 8. So x is equals to 3. I hope you understand this. The more you practice them, the more you'll understand them. You'll even see these ones easy. But we are going to do plenty of them. It's fine. Just like, share, and subscribe. Now here's another one. I don't like this one. I personally don't like it because of fractions like this. I hate fractions like this because they are going to say comma, 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 comma. I hate them. But okay, let's do them, right? For the sake of exam, for the sake of solving x, for the sake of solving problems. Now, the first step is to expand. You can say 5 to the power of x multiply by 5 to the power of 1 plus 5 to the power of x, right, multiply by 5 to the power of minus 1. I hope you understand why. If you don't, watch previous videos. Law 1 video, law 2 video. Do not make, if you are solving for x, how are you going to know if it says solve for x or factorize? Solve for x will always have an equal sign. It will always have an equal sign. And remember, it may say solve for n, solve for p, solve for y, solve for x, y, z, solve for... You still use your knowledge. Do not be scared. Variables can change anytime. Now, after expanding, do not make the mistake of saying, okay, this is an equals to from the original question, right? Do not make another one here like this one. Do not. Before scratching it, I should have showed you, but do not, please do not, because this means do not make the mistake of saying this equals to this. No, you're making a long sentence and you are lying. That's lying. Do not lie. Do not lie. Back to our question. If it is like this, something's just disturbing me, but okay. Back to our question. If it is like this, we have a plus here. We have a plus, meaning common factor. Common factor. What is common? 5x. Open bracket. This one cancel this one. We're left with this one. Take this sign. This one divided by this one. We have this one. Do not make an equals to here. No. You're changing your whole statement. You're making a sentence and your sentence is a lie. Don't. Now, let's go forward. You'd rather say therefore. Okay. You'd rather say that if you feel like writing something there. If you don't be scared. Now, because of this, you're going to add this, meaning it is 5x. 5 plus this is the same as 1 over 5, which is going to give you 26 over 5. You can easily punch it in your calculator if uka ole botswa, but remember one thing: if it says without the use of a calculator, try avoiding a calculator by all means, but also try getting the answers correct. How are you going to be able to do that? By practicing. Practice makes perfect. Right? You cannot expect to know something or someone whereas you do not pay attention. Always pay attention to little detail and much bigger details. Always pay attention. Now, let's get back to our question. You are easily going to say, because do not kill the variable, right? So you're going to use this because it is a multiplication here. You only divide if it is a multiplication, and if it is a addition or subtraction, you will have to transpose and change the sign. Divide by 26 over 5. Divide by 26 over 5. Both ways. What you do on the left, you also do it on the right. Now it is going to give you x. You're going to have 1 over 5 right here. And remember, this can be written like this, right? Meaning x is equals to minus 1. Now, that's solve for x. Solving for problems. Just know your signs. Just practice every day. The easiest way for you to pass is to practice. No. If you do not practice how to pass, the easiest way to pass is to practice. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe for more content.